US30 this week has risen in value. We can see the price continue to rise in value, very close to 42,430.73 resistance area, then formed a strong bearish candle, bearish engulfing candle that has encompassed the last 3 days, but the price could not go even more down, going below 41,960.74 support level. The price bouncing from this area continued to rise in value on a Friday and forming a bullish breakout above this resistance area, but then at the end of the day the price returned back down, forming this bearish pin bar, forming with a large wick on the upper side. Now the wick has closed as a bullish, because we can see the price, open price is below the close price and bullish candle body with a larger wick on the upper side, and we can see the monthly time frame has closed this month as a bullish. So this is just confirmation of this bullish breakout that has been formed, confirming this the previous resistance now acting as support, which means 40,978. Now what we can expect next month, we can see that this is also all-time high price level for this US30. So for the next resistance, I will check that with the Fibonacci extensions next week. So we'll see what happens and also what are the levels. Weekly time frame is the same as the monthly time frame, but we can see on the daily that we have currently 42,430.73 is the next resistance level. We can see that we have a bearish pin bar formed here. It is not right here at the resistance level, so I'm expecting there is a room more for the price to continue to rise in value, but we'll see on the Monday what happens. Will the price stay above this area, which means above 42,233.11, which is important, currently a support level for the price. If it stays above it, will be a signal for me that the price will continue to rise in value above this area of supply zone, area of resistance. Now, this area of support and the resistance levels are made based on the strategy I'm using, and also if you would like to check that, it is a free PDF I'm sharing with you over your email, so you can check the link below in the description if you would like to get this PDF, so you can also understand how to create and what are the steps to create the strategy I'm using. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.